Okay, new recording started. This is at least 7 parts. Maybe this is part 8 or part 9 in a series. Each recording is 15 minutes long. And I set it using open source, open camera. I gotta use both my hands to get up. I have to hold to both sides. Razor DXT drift tricycle, and it's put together and going. Does not have a brake. Go backwards. And this is me in my bathroom. This is Michael reporting from Houghton, Michigan. Wash my feet off in the tub. Recording with open source camera, open camera. Recording on the hardware is light is bright. Recording on Motorola 2021 model phone. Wash my feet off in the tub. These shoes actually are submersible. Okay, let's get a test drive. Oh God, I had to find my glasses. They're broken right there. They're held on with tape, and on the other side, held on with a safety pin. And this is it broke, so I had to tie it together. There's my fanny pack that I carry with me when I leave. I actually carry that fanny pack and this was in the back of the bike. It's got a bolt and nut hole right there. And put it. This is the box that I unpacked the bike from, so I got a box for storing stuff now. There's no labeling on the box except for on this side some cautions and warnings. My fancy muck boots. Snow shovel. See, there's a barcode. Maybe someone could look up the barcode. Drift Trike Razor serial number 9/20/24. Maybe it was. This is an aggressive sporting product, not suitable for young children. Okay, don't know if the resolution is enough. Made in Quinsan in China. Razor USA, based in Cerritos, California. I want to say hi to my Aunt Sylvia Mackey in California. Never been to California, lived 30 years in Missouri. Maybe 3, almost 4 years in Florida, which was not good. Too hot. Let's turn off the ceiling fan. There's my couch where I sit. Going to open up the door. Oh well. Go in my bedroom right here. There's my gaming chair and my computer desk. Just showing right here how fast I could get out of my room to go to the front door. Okay. And this door will slam by itself. I'll need to show down the hall here how to get to the stairs. Stair B, 4th floor. Here's the stairs of the building. And it's lined with concrete blocks and bricks. There's a long fall. And when I get a harness and a climbing rope, I can practice on that ladder right there, or even use the harness. Here is a fire hose. And there might be a sprinkler system in This is some fourth floor. Okay. 5 minutes recorded it is. Let's take a look outside. It is the 6th of February. Thursday, February 6th, Thursday, February 6th, 2025. Got a bright light on my phone. And it's windy out there. 17% battery after all this recording. Big, beautiful pine tree. It's Michael reporting from Houghton, Michigan. I think I'm looking almost north. There's a compass. Let's see, there's a compass direction. It says 16 degrees looking out this window. There's an apartment and the stairway that I just showed off. Okay, let's get this bike tried out. Razor DXT drift trike. And gotta hold on to both sides of the handlebars to sit down on it. I feel like I'm gonna fall sitting down on it. 6 minutes recorded. Let's roll it out. This door will slam shut on its own. I gotta get my glasses on. Okay, let's do a test drive. Use just one hand. The back wheels are quiet when they're on carpet. Okay, there's the elevators. There's a blizzard outside. View of a beach right there. You actually can take a pretty long ride on this 4th floor. When I stop pedaling, it clicks. When I pedal forward, it does not click. Let's apply a little brake. I have to turn the trike around at the end here. I already showed what the stairway looks like. Oh, there's an exit sign pointing to another stairway. This is Michael reporting from Houghton, Michigan. There's a fire extinguisher sprinkler system on the ceiling. Make it safer during a fire. Stair A. I just showed stair B. Okay. Let's get it turned around. I have to scoot around. And now I can ride back to my apartment. Here in Houghton, Michigan. I want to thank Angela at UF Health for these nice shoes similar to Crocs. Let's see if I can go fast. When I hold the pedals stationary, they click. A good strong hand and arm right there. I gotta just make sure that I get the wheel centered through that doorway. Oh, right there is where they keep the shopping carts. There's a lot of snow piled up on the windows. Turns sideways. This is a little hard. I guess I'll take a ride into the activity room is what I like to call it. Oops. Wheel got stuck on the door. And the wheels are being quiet because I'm on carpet. And this is a lot of fun. I cannot pedal backward on this thing. Going backward, I'll show you. I was trying to pedal backward, it just clicks and it does not brake the bike. It does not apply brakes to reverse the pedals. There's a TV. Now this is interesting. There's a bunch of videotapes and DVDs, but there's no DVD player or VCR in this room. There's a TV which does not have a cable box. But I can go downstairs. And it is Thursday, February 6th, Razor DXT Drift Trike unboxing and assembly and test riding. In this multi-part video, maybe 7 or 8 parts, so I ran into. This is a lot of fun to ride it in the building. This is just a blast. Finally have this bike again. Had to. Okay, here's the TV. And it's got cables, batteries. It's got cables for a DVD player, but no DVD player. And no VHS player. These are old VHS tapes. VHS, which means Video Home System. Malcolm X movie, Red Skelton, a comedian. Proof of Life, I've heard of that. JFK. And I do have VCRs in my apartment. Oh, and this is an audiobook on CDs. So there's no CD player. Okay, let's, and I'm shaking right now. I can hear someone coming out of the elevator. Some movie called Heat. And this TV, when I try turning on, is just snow. Okay, let's pedal. To scoot it. And I'm sliding. Got my tire caught. Oh, there's darts. There's a dart board over there, an electronic dart board. One of my neighbors in the hallway. Oh, hello.
Whoa, is that you in there?
Yeah, it's an adult version of a big wheel bike.
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool.
Which I got today and had to put it together.
Oh, sure. That's going to be fun this summer.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah. Is that hard work on a pedal like that?
Yeah, but I can do it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's get lined up with the apartment. Making a video here. Okay. It's hard to get that. I'm going to have to. Okay. Slide it on the floor a little bit.